welcome to my channel DevOps for Beginners. Why I created this channel? Are you wondering why this channel exists? Let me share the story. I started my journey in DevOps as a beginner. That is, from non-IT to IT, I moved. The struggle was real, especially with the complex tech tools and the terms and all those. As a non-IT guy, I was expecting DevOps would be easy. It was easy actually when I was started, but as time goes on, the complexity has been increasing. So by practicing it a lot, so it can be overcome. Witnessing this gap, I decided to bridge it. The purpose of the channel: to simplify DevOps for you, specially designed for non-IT folks and freshers. In this channel, no tech complexities would be observed, just it will be clear, easy understanding. What can you expect from this channel? The step-by-step tutorials tailored for beginners, real-world examples, making concepts relatable, a supportive community for your DevOps journey. So what is the mission of this channel? What is our mission? Empowering non-IT individuals to confidently embrace DevOps, learning and growing together as a DevOps community. So why wait? Let's dive into the world of DevOps, simplified just for you. Thank you.